Good morning, good morning, good morning. Hope y'all having a blessed Sunday. And if you up watching this, depending on what time it is, regardless, you're blessed because you made it through. That's how I look at it. Regardless of what's going on, you made it. That's your blessing. So, let's get it started. To get the Lord His praise Sunday. We're going to be blessed and be a blessing to somebody else. Got this traffic coming up on me like it's something like being out here talking and driving and talking, singing and driving, because that's what I'm about to do. Get my little praise on for the day. Now I'm going to have to work on this copyright infringement. I don't know how it all works out. I know they don't want you playing on music, but if you don't own the rights to the music, you shouldn't play it. So I'm going to try not to do that. But I do love to sing, so I've had enough heartaches and enough headaches. I've had so many ups and downs. Don't know how much more I can take. So I've decided that I've cried my last tears yesterday. Now either I'm gonna trust you, or I may as well walk away. Stressing don't make it better. Don't make it better, no way. So I've decided that I've cried my last tears yesterday. So, YouTube family, what are you all doing today? Y'all going to church? Get a Lord, it's time. Drop off that 10. Wish you could drop off my 10 for me, but I'm going to have to get on up out this bed. Since I just got off work, I'm a little tired. They made me earn a little check. They made me earn a check. But Lord, I thank you for me being able to earn a check. Because there's a lot of people out there who don't get a chance to actually get up and go to work to earn the check that they feel like they're deserving to make or that they're capable of making. But I thank the Lord I do something that I love doing. I love talking to my officers all day, every day. You know, I actually enjoy talking to people, period. As you can see, that's where my grandbaby did it from, because once he get on the videos, he take over. But I enjoy talking to them. You know, I want to make sure we all came together so we all leave together. That's an important issue for me. You know, I've been in a few situations with officer safety. Not all officers are bad. Trust me. I work with several. I can count more officers that are good than that are bad. You may have one or two that come in and think they need to do what they want to do, but eventually they get with the program and they realize that it's a process that all of us have to work together. So that's something major. And when you realize that you working in particular communities, you have to work with that community, that makes your job much easier. And that helps your blessing for the day, because that can make or break your 8 hours or your 10 hours or your 12 hours, however long your shift is. Some days it's 16 hours. But if you're getting along